Zona Velha, old town of Funchal, and I'm about to meet a fellow YouTuber who has been living on the island for the last few months. She's from the UK and she goes under the name of Living in Madeira. So let me introduce you to P.
Hi.
Pleased to meet you at last, P. Oh my goodness.
I'm Philippe.
And this is the lovely Philippe. Yeah, he's the star of the vlog. And I'll introduce you to Alonso and Lottie.
Are you going to give him anything?
Not this time. Maybe later.
You'll never guess who is behind the camera.
Oh, they won't.
It's the one and only. Am I allowed to say your name?
Yes. Well, you don't have to say my name. You just show me as I am. Go on, say my name.
Say my name.
Joe Parilla,
You're goddamn right.
who's currently resident in Madeira, and here I am in Yasagumba. Once again, I was here last year, and it's a great Nepalese Indian restaurant. The food is absolutely fabulous. I had the same again as I did last year.
What have you got?
Chicken jalfrezi, and I had momos for starters, but you can't see the momos because I scoffed the lot.
Somewhere in there, right?
Well, Lottie had half of it.
Well, I'm not eating, but it smells certainly. Well, it certainly smells good. Let's say that. This is yours. This is the jar.
No, that's... Is that yours, Pete?
You can film it. You
fine.
can film it.
That's mine, but Philippe wants some. Which is quite sad. He's not
Look at that.
too happy.
Stolen my seat.
Philippe, say hi. Yeah.
Okay. Go on then. Give us a taste test.
Okay. Here goes. I'm trying to not to do a Mark Weens.
Go on. Do a Mark Weens. Give me your best Mark Weens. Or give me your best Joe Parilla. Excuse me.
That's not Joe Parilla.
This is where we cut.
But anyway, it's pleasant enough. And I happened to catch Joe. He was randomly walking past there. Lottie pointed him out, and I shouted out, "Joe! Joe! Joe!" And then next thing you know, he's vlogging me with my camera.
Hold on. This isn't over yet. I want to see. Is this yours?
No, that's not mine.
Oh,
You can have some.
Are you sure?
bit of bread action.
Okay. Garlic naan, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that. Get the tear. How much garlic is on
It's
top?
the small size of your Georgian bread. I remember that.
Oh, yeah.
It was huge in comparison.
True.
Okay. This is actually quite thin for a naan bread from what I'm used to. Because normally in the UK the naan breads are quite a thicker consistency. But you can actually taste the garlic in this, so they've done a good job with it.
Come on. You need to get a bit of that. There
Okay.
you go. Does it get the
You've
thumbs
never,
up?
yes, definitely, and all you viewers out there have never seen me eat as well as this.
Does it get the thumbs up?
No.
Yes.
No.
Gets the thumbs up?
Philippe, pizza.
Yeah. Yeah. Looks like it.
So that was a thoroughly enjoyable meal, and we accidentally ran into Joe Parilla, and I'm out with the lovely P, as you saw, who runs Living in Madeira YouTube channel. So we're heading to the market, which is part of the flower festival, and there's Joe and P in front.
Hey, Ruth.
Joe, you can turn the mic on now.
I don't know how to. I've never done this before. Am I on?
Yeah, you're on. I don't know. Are you on? Testing 1 2.
We're not on.
Oh no, it's on. Okay.
Oh, we're on.
Now we're on. We
Well. Oh, sorry. On your hand.
Yeah.
We're on. I was having mic issues. It's a bit busy here, isn't it?
It is. Oh, it was a lot busier than earlier because I was
is.
here about 3 hours ago.
I'm not used to filming in front of this many people.
Oh, you're used to it now, Joe. You're a local celebrity here. So.
No, I'm not sure about that. But what are you fancying? What are you thinking?
Poncha.
Poncha?
It's always time for poncha.
Yeah, always time for Poncha in Madeira, isn't it?
What about you? Are you up for poncha?
Yeah. Always. We're trying to think of what flavour we want.
And which stall? Because there are a few, I mean, there's quite a lot of stalls here. Normally just look for the busiest. I know this one over here, she's pretty good. I've had that one at the Christmas market, but...
I had a poncha from there last year myself. I remember that one, yeah.
All good?
And it was delicious, but I want to give someone else a chance as well.
That's true.
To earn our hard-earned dosh.
Let's find the person who has the shortest line and take it from there.
We shall try that.
So personally, I think we should go for a pescador.
Pescador? I'm driving.
But there's other flavours.
No, pescador is the only one that matters.
Hard day for you, is it?
Every day. So we were previously at a restaurant and they said that you can drive as long as you've had 2 ponchas.
Who said that?
Have you not had the advice yet?
Not yet.
You can drive on 2. I'm joking, don't.
Wait a minute. Strike that.
Do you have any issues with that?
Yeah, I don't.
Direct it to Rue. Yeah.
Driving, okay? Drink responsibly. What about this place? There's no one there. So you're right.
Rue, I think you need to go and show them around some of the stalls because these stalls look pretty good.
Shall we not have a poncha first?
I think we should go here.
Yeah. So they got different flavours.
So normally you can get ponchas for like $2.50. Obviously, because this is a special event, it's like $3.50. It's still cheap. It's still cheap.
Hola, what flavour poncha have you?
Poncha, passion fruit, red passion fruit, lemon, orange, ginger, mint, mandarin.
Okay. I think I will try red passion fruit, please.
Ice?
Yes, please.
Whoa.
No, one.
It's not real poncha with ice.
No, I like it cool. I need it cool because I'm quite warm.
One ice. You actually.
Hey, I like to be different, Joe.
Bebe uma poncha, bebe com prazer. Bebe bem forte, a saúde faz crescer.
And we're gonna
Taking over as cameraman.
Gonna film
It's meant to be my
ourselves.
day off, and I'm filming now, on camera and filming.
I saw him on the streets. Had to drag him to do some work for a change.
Sounds like my dad. Should we get out of the way and then?
We've got to pay as well. So.
Oh yeah, that would help. I'm riding.
Okay.
Trying to get me. Well, I'll cheers you. I'll cheers you.
So, 3 YouTubers in Madeira, Poncha time. Saúde, everyone.
Sound. Our fishermen's as well. Go on.
Wait, hold on. Let's make it mine. I thought I got it out.
How is it?
I like to do a subtle poncha face.
A subtle
That is
poncha
delicious.
face.
I love the fruity flavours in it.
Which one is it?
She said red maracuja.
Red passion fruit.
Red passion fruit, yeah.
Good. Your fisherman's poncha.
But it needs more rum.
Go tell her that.
Go back. I make a better poncha.
We've witnessed it in your vlog. So don't forget, I'm going to put links in the description for both Joe and P.
And Philippe.
Don't Philippe, he's the main man.
I think you should show them around. Show them some of these stalls.
We will do, okay. I'll finish the poncha first. Or is that deposit on these, do you know? Must be.
50 cents, I think.
Okay.
And then you get that back. There's everything here actually. Crepe, Madeira wine, Poncha, cakes, chocolate, bakery, everything you want. No music though.
But are there any bananas?
I think I saw bananas in the beginning.
Oh yeah, well it's a flower festival, not a fruit festival. That was last week, the fruit festival, you missed it.
I didn't know it was on.
Yeah.
And before that, I think it was the rum festival, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Every week there's a new
Every
festival.
week there's a festival.
And if you don't find one in Funchal, just go to the other areas and you will find something.
Exactly. He really has left me with the camera and just walks off.
Thank you, Joe, for being my backup cameraman. Right, this is Madeira wine store. Hola. Do you do Madeira wine glasses? Do you sell the glasses?
We sell by the glass.
No, the actual glass. Like that. Do you sell?
We sell.
And how much are they,
It's
please?
€3 each.
3 each.
3 each because this is
Oh, okay.
unbreakable glass.
Ah, do you have any with your company name on?
Just a second.
Oh, Blandies. So same price, €3 each.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, the plastic, yeah. Okay.
No plastic is acrylic.
Okay. Obrigado. Of course, it's not complete without the flowers, and flowers for sale at this stall.
Alright, Rue, have you ever had a chocolate cup with a ginger shot?
No, but Joe, if we're going to go for it, it'll be my first ever.
I'm you. I keep telling you, I'm riding, I'm driving. But Popular in Lisbon, popular in Porto, but you also get them here, especially in these little markets. And I know just the place that you need to try it. And it is Wow Cacao. There's a few of these around, you've probably heard of them, but really good quality chocolate. And you have a shot of the liqueur, cherry liqueur, it's okay. The cherry liqueur, as you can see, cherries in the bottom there, you see that? In one of the chocolate cups. So that is what you're gonna try.
Yes.
Can we have one, please? Hola.
One.
Boa tarde.
And is P having one? Where's she gone?
The other one, she's gone.
We've lost her.
We can always do another.
Yeah.
Uma ginja and chocolate.
Joe showing off his Portuguese. By the way, what was the best way you found to learn Portuguese?
I haven't started learning yet, so yeah. Okay, go for it. There you go.
Okay.
If you're gonna have a shot, I mean, what better way than in the chocolate
And
cup?
see, it is actual chocolate.
Cheers.
So, saúde.
On the
Saúde.
camera, on the camera.
On the camera.
Give the camera. Wait. You gotta. Cheers.
Oh, I got it.
All in one. All in one, and the chocolate. And the chocolate. Go on.
You're clogging up my arteries.
What's the verdict?
Beautiful.
Ginja.
Ginja.
Ginja is a cherry liqueur shot in a chocolate cup. And if you're going to do it in a chocolate cup, this is the place to come. Wow Cacao, best chocolate on Madeira. So if you're going to have a chocolate shot, you may as well get the chocolate good as well. Let me know what you think. It's popular in Lisbon, it's popular in mainland, but now you start to see it here, especially at these festivals. So,
He sells it so well, doesn't he?
yeah, he's not having one though.
Watching the waistline. Can I take it?
It's done.
Alright, so this is what it looks like. Okay,
Good question. You have to just put it in one, just eat it.
Okay, you don't
Rue
drink
did it wrong.
You don't drink it?
You don't drink it, you
Does
just
that
put it
mean
in
I
one.
have to eat another one?
In one, right?
Another
See? All in one. There we go. Oh. No!
Expecting that.
Corralio. No, anyway.
Sorry, no.
Pick up that litter.
We did see that.
What?
I wasn't expecting that, sorry.
Have you never done a shot before?
I have, but not that. I thought it'd be sweet. I'm going to step away. I feel really embarrassed.
That's staying in the video. Okay, obrigado.
So go into this side tent.
Yeah. I mean, it's a flower festival after all, so should probably see some flowers, right?
And this is behind the scenes there for P's vlog.
Oh, it's pretty. Orchids.
And they have a makeshift pond as well. Wonder if there's any goldfish in it.
I don't think so.
Oh, it's not authentic without the goldfish. And one thing I was actually considering is buying some bird of paradise flowers, but I don't know
down here.
how they would flourish in Ireland.
They are stunning. Look at them.
Yes, this is it. The regional flower of Madeira, the bird of paradise flower. And you see that dotted all around the island.
But look at this. Look how vibrant they are in the Atlantida water bottles. Taking obviously the label off, but look, it's like a fire coming out. So cool, stunning. I'm not a big flower person, if I'm honest, but when you see them as beautiful as this, in pristine condition, like think how much work goes in to get them in pristine condition.
Is that because people don't buy your flowers anymore, Joe?
Wow. I'm done.
Monkey's tail.
Monkey's tail, it looks like a dead cat's tail.
Macaque's monkey's tail.
Nice.
All right,
So thank you so much for joining us for this afternoon and evening here in Funchal for the Flower Festival. Special thanks to both Joe and P. So
Well remembered.
I always forget things. So P's channel is Living in Madeira, and Joe's channel, he's got two of them,
Hungry to Explore and Joey P.
So I'm going to leave the links below for both channels in the description.
And thank you so much for having us.
You're most welcome,
It's been
Joe.
fun. Make sure you subscribe to these two, get them to 1,000. And yeah, see you guys. Or this man will see you. We'll be gone, but this man will see you guys.
They're leaving me all alone.
Yeah.
Thank God. See you guys in the next video.
So I'm on the edge of Old Town in Funchal, Zona Valia, and I'm going to meet a fellow YouTuber. It's a British girl who's been living on this island for the last while, and she goes under the channel name of... I've forgotten the name of it. I'll take that again. Take two. So that was an enjoyable meal we had, and as you know, I'm with two local YouTubers.
Hold on,
with P.
You want to start that again?
Okay. Just sorry. I forgot about that. Cut. Oh, this has come off.
It's all right.
I'm too controversial for you, am I?
know.
No, I'm.
Everyone's abusing me. Do you hear this?
But I.
No, but
to be on angle that a little bit
need this on
more.
video? Yeah, sure. Why not?
We're in action.
So I've had a fun afternoon and evening with Joe and P. So that's Joe Parilla. What's your YouTube channel now? Because you keep changing
I have
it.
two, Joe Parilla, Hungry to Explore, and Joey P.
And yours is?
Mine's simple. It's Living in Madeira.
What are you trying to say? Everything is a jab here, but this is the man. So yeah, thank you for having me on.
You're
thank
most
you for
welcome.
sharing the afternoon with
thank
us.
you.
And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to this man if you're watching it for the first time. Get him to 1,000 and subscribe over here, Living in Madeira.
And
Get
what
him
I
up to
will do,
1,000.
I will leave the links for both channels in the description below, so you have no excuse to reciprocally subscribe to my buddies.
Okay.
So, they've been the best.
Good deal, thank you.
Most welcome.
We'll see you guys in another video. This guy, we'll see you next time.
Yes. So you all have a great week. You all take care. Until then, bye. And don't forget, you always have a cute bye.
You're meant to finish.
Ciao, bye.
Thank
You're
you.
going to cut that bit. You have to do that
what
bit
bit?
again.